Folks, back again working on this 2005 Toyota Crown. So today what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to replace the hood struts for this vehicle. Again, this is a 2005, so it's almost 18 years now. I feel like these are the original hood struts. So and they do fall once or twice. I mean, they come down with really less resistance, which is a reason for me to perform this. And again, it's been 18 years. I'm sure it needs some kind of help at this point. So just like a quick recap, these are the struts. These are the replacement struts that I have. How it's held on is by this metal clip that sits in this slot. And just for installation and removal, you gotta take this metal clip and push it up so it releases the ball from the socket. So the ball is obviously the socket's this black piece that's I'm pointing towards, and the ball is going to be on the vehicle. So this is a ball. So yeah, that's pretty much how it sits. In terms of taking this metal piece and pushing it upwards, the way I did it, I use a really small screwdriver. To push it outwards, and then just slip it over the top of it. Pretty much, I didn't take it off all the way, so I just let it sit on the top of its actual resting spot. Let's just see. So over here, you can see this this clip. It's sitting how it should be, and for this one, you can see it's just resting on the top of it. This one. So that's how it needs to be when you're installing and removing it from the vehicle. Both sides are the same. So I did one of the struts. I'm going to try the other one, and then I'm going to try the ones in the car. So then I'll give you guys a quick shot, see how it came out. Alright, so I'm currently changing the passenger side strut. I just took it off. As you can see, there's nothing there. One thing I would suggest is make sure you support your hood with some other form of leverage so it doesn't fall on you when you take off side. Here's my two new. That side's still on. I'm going to put on the new one on this side, and then I'm going to move on to the other side. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright, so both the sides are put on. The new struts don't have any labeling on them. The old Toyota ones are labeled. I don't know what it says over there really, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So once you install new struts, just give it gently, give it a couple pushes down, get the fluids moving, and once it's like had a few rotations from the revolutions, they're gonna move a whole lot freer. So you just close the thing. Yeah, they feel pretty firm. I'm giving a decent amount of tug. It's staying. All the clips are in place. Yeah, that's pretty much it.